First country on the list is Sweden. Sweden is known for its high quality of life, sustainable development, and affordable cost of living. In fact, Sweden was ranked as the best nation globally for quality of life by Global Citizen Solutions. Sweden's quality of life. Sweden is an incredible spot to live for expats. It has a great of life, reasonable cost for many everyday items, and fantastic medical care framework. The nation is additionally known for its wonderful scenes, flourishing urban areas, and inviting networks. Sweden's sustainability. Sweden is a truly supportable country. It is one of the world forerunners in sustainable power, and it has serious areas of strength for and on natural security. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who are energetic about manageability. Sweden's affordability. Sweden is a shockingly reasonable country to live in. The cost for many everyday items is lower than numerous other European nations, and the compensations are high. This implies that expats can partake in an agreeable way of life without burning through every last cent. Sweden's expat community. Sweden has a huge and inviting expat local area. There are many gatherings and associations that take special care of expats, and there are consistently occasions and exercises occurring. This causes it simple to cause companions and to feel comfortable in Sweden. These are just a few of the many countries that offer a high quality of life. If you're looking for a country with a comfortable lifestyle, any of these countries would be a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you like our content and want to see more content like this, consider subscribe our channel, also like and share. See you in the next video. Take care.